Hello student, good morning. Welcome to my channel. I'm Amina Sheikh. Today we are going to learn a new poem. The name of the poem is Time for Everything. So student, the central idea of this poem is about time. In this poem, we will learn about things that should be done at the right time. There is a time to do everything and everything has to be done at the same time, and that is your time and the actions should match. So students, I'm going to read the poem for you. There's a time to run and a time to walk. There's a time for silence and a time for talk. There's a time for work and a time for play. There's a time for sleep at the close of the day. There's a time for everything you do, for children and grown-ups too. A time to stand up and a time to sit. But see that your time and actions fit. So students, I'll explain you this poem. The first line of the poem says that there's a time to run and a time to walk. So students, when is the time to run? Yes, correct. When you play on the ground or if there is a running race, that is the time you have to run, and if you will not run, you won't win the race. And where is the correct time to walk? Yes, you walk to the class after the assembly gets over, isn't it? The next line of the poem says that there is a time for silence. Student, do you know when is the time to be silent? Yes, during the national anthem and in the library. You don't have to make any noise and even talk when you are in a library. There is a time to talk. When is the right time to talk, student? Yes, when the teachers ask you any question, you have to answer it, or you can talk to your friends on the mobile or during the off period. Moving on to the next line, it says that there is a time for work. Your work means doing your homework or any type of help to your elders, and a time to play. Yes, everyone's favorite is a playtime. When is a playtime, students? When you finish your homework and during the holidays, isn't it? The next line of the poem says that the time for sleep at the close of the day. That means students, at the end of the day, we all are tired and we all need sleep and take a rest. So students, moving on to the next line of the poem, here the poet says that students, there is a time for everything you do, for children and grown-ups too. That means there is a specific time to do a particular work for both children and grown-ups. Grown-up means elder people. Students, the last two lines of the poem says that a time to stand up and a time to sit, but see that the time and the actions fit. So students, the poet says that there is a specific time to stand. We stand in the class when teachers enter. And when do we sit, students? When our teacher teaches us in the class. So students, the last line of the poem says that, but see that your time and actions fit. That means your action means your work and the time should match with each other. So my dear student, that's all for today. I hope so you all have understood this little poem with a lovely message in it. Thank you students for watching my video. So student, don't forget to subscribe my channel for the new videos. Thank you. Bye.